Channel Live, Laugh and Love. Is it like this? Yeah.
Come on!
Today I'm making another Indian cuisine, which is dal. Okay? Anyone wants to know dal? What dal is?
I now present you.
And then now I wanna make the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're going to cook that first. First of all, I'm gonna need this big of, what do you call this? This big of pan. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Wait, I'm gonna put it later. So first of all, I'm gonna put it into this stove again, and with a higher temperature, and then let's heat it up a little bit so that the pan will be hot, like me. No. Okay. First, when it's already hot, the pan is already. You think it's already hot? You can put 2 spoons of ghee. I mean, how much that you like, that you prefer, but I prefer probably just 2 or probably 3 teaspoons. You can hear the sound of the oil, right? Of the ghee becoming into oil. Next, we are going to put mustard. Maybe about 2 small spoons. Okay, now the mustard is already cooked. Next, we put the cumin seed. Another 2 around 2-pinch cumin seed. Stir it a bit. Pouring the ginger garlic paste. 1 whole big spoon of ginger garlic paste. Then you can start pouring the onions, chilli, it's a little bit brownish. The onion is a little bit brownish. Smell it, guys. Smells really nice. Don't forget to only use Indian onions, okay? Because Indian onions gives more flavor and it smells. Put tomato now, and leave the coriander leaf for the last touch. Wow, it smells really nice. I'm starving, by the way. Okay, now we put the coriander powder. Good. Probably 2 spoons, 2 teaspoons, and turmeric, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and then chili powder. You can have it as much as you like, and also a bit of salt. Spices is inside. Let's start to put the dough in. So now I'm almost finished. My dal is almost finished. Okay, take a look. This is how it's gonna be like. The Indonesian version of dal. Remember that. It may not be perfect, but it tastes nice actually. At least that's what I think. So I think this is okay. All I need to do now is just pour a little bit of lemon. Only half of lemon, this size. You squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. You know what? If you're doing this like almost every day, it's good for your arm workout. And then you can put the last touch. Coriander leaves. Bits of coriander leaves on top. Voila! There goes your dal. Now let me turn off the stove. And guys, my Indonesian version of dal is done. Bye, Mel. That's all for now. I hope you like my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for... What is my channel, by the way? Sorry, just kidding. It's Live, Love, and Love. Don't forget to live, love, and love always. Hit the bell button below. Don't forget to comment any comment if you want to like ask me to make anything, okay? Any recipes, especially Indian recipes. Just comment below and then please hit the like button as well. Thanks guys. Bye. I'll see